Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth devices to your PS5. It's important to know that your PlayStation 5 doesn't natively support most third-party Bluetooth audio devices directly. To get started, you'll typically need a compatible USB Bluetooth adapter. Before you do anything, make sure your PS5 system software is completely up to date for the best possible experience and compatibility with any new accessories you might add. When selecting a USB Bluetooth adapter, prioritize one specifically designed for gaming consoles or known for its low-latency audio. This ensures a smooth and responsive experience. Also, confirm the adapter supports the necessary Bluetooth profile, like A2DP for high-quality audio. Most adapters are simple plug-and-play, fitting neatly into one of your PS5 available USB ports, making setup straightforward and quick. Once you have your adapter, plug it into an open USB port on your PS5. Next, put your Bluetooth device, whether it's headphones or a speaker, into its pairing mode. This is usually indicated by a flashing light. Then, follow the specific instructions provided with your adapter to initiate the pairing process. Some adapters might require a quick visit to the PS5 accessories menu for final setup, but many connect automatically. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your PS5 and the Bluetooth device often resolves the problem. Always ensure your device is within a reasonable range, typically about 10 meters or 33 feet, from the adapter for a stable connection. Also, check if there are any firmware updates available for your USB Bluetooth adapter. Remember, even with an adapter, not all Bluetooth devices will be fully compatible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.